Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo two new Duet Chromebooks. So friend, Lenovo has announced Chromebook Duet 11-inch and 9-inch and Chromebook Duet EDU G2 two 10.95-inch convertible laptop with 2K display and that balance design and performance and anklets in a full metal chassis with corning Gorilla Glass for ultimate durability and complemented by a soft protective folio. The Chromebook Duet 11-inch and 9-inch is a portable companion that entertainment, adopt, and encourage you to create a learning resource from students and teachers. And the Chromebook Duet EDU G2 takes durability to the next level with a rugged case and detachable keyboard, and the Chromebook is comes with ultra clear 2K 400 nit display for easy reading and entertainment on streaming even outdoor, and full day power with up to 12-hour battery life. And in addition, it's adventure ready with MIL-STD 810S certified chassis capable for handling bumps and splash, and folio of keyboard and stand cover weight less than 0.65 lbs and 0.35 lbs respectively are available, and comes with MediaTek Kompanio 838 processor and up to 8 GB for memory and AI-enabled NPU. Enjoy on-device graphic AI processing, improve palm rejection and camera clarity, and text your specification even further for interactive multimedia experience. And the Chromebook Duet 11-inch and 9-inch feature a 8 megapixel rear camera enhanced by MediaTek cutting-edge image processing technology, capturing and enhancing all those movement clearly, and 5 megapixel front camera with physical shutter for privacy, and it comes with dual USB Type-C port with ability of connect to a 4K display and deliver crisp sound through two speaker and smart AMP with wave audio. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.